more money, more problems. Well, yeah, if that's the basis of your existence.
Ta-da!
Money, prosperity, abundance is an energy, and it takes energy to get it. But not the kind of energy you think of as physical labor or that hard work mentality. It all comes down to knowing your vibration. Money is a form of a current. Currency. Current is an energy. When we're in the hustle and paradigm of getting funds, making money, we're actually using energy. Spent energy. Money comes to me easily and smoothly. I am a prosperous being. These affirmations and statements don't work unless you're in the vibration. You can tell who's in the vibration on how they speak. Let's look at this for a second.